Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here that I thought we'd open together. I'm not really sure what it is, but we will see. Oh, they're cute. I ordered some Hedgehog Potholders. Aren't these cute? From Etsy, and I will leave her shop below. And she sent me a little card. And it's Snoopy! How cute! Thank you for your purchase of these Hedgehog hot pads. When you receive them, could you please leave me feedback? Absolutely, I will. I like to leave feedback. And look how cute that is. Oh, she doesn't know me at all, but she sent the right card. So these are just really cute. They're just little pot holders, or you could use them as little trivets, whatever. But I don't know if you could use it as a trivet with its little plastic eye unless you did it this way. But then maybe it'd still burn. I don't know. But really cute. And yeah, I'm glad I shared these. Those are really cute. So that's what I got. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.